What does it say?
The stars go fake Santa book. They spin really fast.
Spins really fast?
And wait, they got the ABCD.
Yeah.
And the ball, the boom, boom.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's a big. And that's the door to go to big bone. They see the whistle bone.
Yeah?
And the spinner, they go to shoot the bad guys.
Shoot the bad guys.
Yeah, I gotta take it out of it.
Tell me what else is going on with that table saw.
The big one, the broke.
It broke?
Yeah, and the spinner where they go fast.
Yeah?
Yeah. There are 2 wheels. That the speedometer said this wheels go fast.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what's going on in there. I didn't know table saws were so interesting, Logan.
Oh no, it gone. It can't stop or break. And it broke. It crashed. And it broke in a missing piece.
Oh no!
And look at this. They gotta be the go. No, take off from my face.
Take over your face?
No.
Okay, I'm sorry.
And look inside. There's somebody in here. And his head broke.
Oh my gosh!
And it supposed to go and go. This shoe goes with
Well, this is an exciting book to read.
the go you gotta walk to get stuff to get somebody's hurt.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And all the way. The crowd of bull to go round and round. And the next one, this boat. The pipe, the broke.
It broke?
To get the drill, you gotta go. But where's the drill at?
I don't know.
And push it to go. And the bee showed the book. They got the golden machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one got the control.
Yeah.
And this one be the go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The end?
Yeah. Only one more to go. The beat or the go. The beat or the go. That's how we.
You're adorable.
And the hold it. The hold is rain. He got big papa. Me hurt himself.
Oh no.
He break. Uh-oh. He no break.
Uh-oh.
Somebody gotta fix him.
Yeah, someone better fix him.
He's broken the tooth.
Oh no. Oh no.
And the whole day go day and night. We go after night. We gotta get that one a bit. And hold it.
After night?
We hold it to go.
Yeah. All right.
And the big one to go.
Good job.
This one.
It's quite a story. Thank you for reading it to me.
One more to go.
Okay.
Decide to go big one.